Hello students, I am Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. So today we will discuss a comparison of acidity of 4 different acid, that is acid 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So as usual, I first request you please pause the video and try by yourself. 4 options are given. You have to find out the correct acidity order. Okay. Correct acidity order of the molecule. Okay. Now see, 4 options are given. So first you pause and try by yourself, and definitely I shall explain the question after some time. So I hope you have done. So let's answer the question now. By the way, before going to details, I suggest you that please, instead of pointing out this number, just look at the molecules and you make your own order first. After that you can check which one is matching with your order. This is a point number 1, strategy number 1, and strategy number 2 I shall explain at the end. Okay. So now let's discuss. So in this case, acidity of a molecule is decided based on the stability of the conjugate base. Conjugate base means the corresponding anion, because in every case proton is same. So what is the difference? Difference is the corresponding anion. So if we compare the stability of the corresponding conjugate base, so that will be the base. So this method is comparison of stability of conjugate base, means CB. Okay. So this, now see, all are actually, better to say, all are acetate anion. So stabilization of acetate because of this resonance means it will push and it will come. So this is same in every case. So now where we will discuss, our main focus is this methyl group, benzene, this actually 2,6 dimethyl and 3,5 dimethyl. Okay. So let's go to that part. Now see, actually before going to details, let me tell you this system is actually a mesitoic acid system. This system. Okay. So okay, I forgot to mention the acetic acid part, that is this. This has a pK around 4.74. Okay. So this, now question is, what is the difference? So in this case, in case of acetic acid, we know that it is a methyl group, so it has a plus I effect. Okay, means it pushes the electron towards this carbon. Consequently, the electron deficiency, or better to say, the electron deficiency of this carbon is less in this case. So tendency to release this proton and produce this carboxylate anion is lesser, or better to say least, among all 4 examples. Okay, fine. Now our focus of interest, another is, that is actually I forgot this thing also, benzoic acid thing. Let's write this here. This has a pKa value around 4.2. Okay. So fine. Now question is, when we have substituted, means it is a simple benzene and we have attached any alkyl group. So we know alkyl group has plus I effect. Okay. So alkyl group means methyl group. If we attach, then we know it has a plus I effect, so it will push the electron density towards this benzene ring. Consequently, if you compare this with simple benzoic acid in presence of alkyl group, this nucleus is expected to be more electron rich. Consequently, in this case, the electron deficiency at this carbon will be less. Fine. So that thing is okay. So what is expected, that benzoic acid should be more acidic compared to this and this. Fine. But actually it is not, because benzoic acid, if you see that benzoic acid's pK around 4.2, fine. But in this case it is expected to be higher, fine, less acidic, 4.32. But question is this one, why this is more acidic compared to benzoic acid? So from this thing, see, here also 2-methyl, here also 2-methyl, but in this case why this is acidic? So plus I effect is not enough to explain this. So question, what is happening in this case? In this case happening steric inhibition of delocalization. Remember this term, steric inhibition of electron delocalization. What do I mean? See, these 2-methyl group are bulky enough that, okay, by the way, first, how this benzoic acid is more electron deficient than this acetic acid? Because this benzene ring has a conjugation, means this carbonyl and this oxygen all are in the plane of this benzene nucleus, so that's why conjugation possible. But if this conjugation is hampered, how? Because of this 2 bulky methyl group, the excessive steric repulsion is created. I will come. So consequently this group became out of plane. See, this one group, means I have shown that in this case this oxygen below the plane, but opposite could be possible. What happens? It became out of plane, and this phenyl group do not have only, this phenyl group has both effect. Means, what do I mean by the statement? It has a plus R effect, another thing minus I effect. So in this case plus R is not occurring, but minus I is occurring, and that is the main, means actual reason for the higher acidity of this moiety compared to simple benzoic acid. I believe this is a little complicated concept, you have understood, and this thing you can compare with mesitoic acid. See, in this case 3 methyls are there, and here also pKa is far less compared to benzoic acid. Same logic is there, but keep one thing in mind, that this methyl is actually a dummy methyl. Okay, it is not participating anything significantly, but main property is coming because of these 2 orthomethyl groups. Okay, so in order to understand the story little clearly, just look at this. So this is actually this is benzoic acid, this is benzoic acid, whereas this is the 2,6-dimethyl benzoic acid. Okay, so just look at this. In this case there was a hydrogen, matter to say smaller atom. Okay, but in this case methyl means this carbon is attached to 3 hydrogens, and consequently what happens? A severe steric repulsion. This and this means a severe steric repulsion. Why I am using this word severe? Because actually it is very high steric repulsion, and that's why this molecule prefers to avoid or sacrifice the resonance stabilization. Means actually, see, all these p orbital in conjugation, along with this also in conjugation. Okay, but because of this it became out of plane, so consequently conjugation is broken in this case, consequently this happens. Okay, so this is the overall discussion. Now question, what is the actual order? So what we have know, which is most acidic? This. Which is after that acidic? This benzoic acid. So this is 1, this is 2, third this is 3 because benzene containing, and this is 4. Now, so first of all 1, in this case 3 must be at the top position, either this or this. Now second should be 2, so in this case 2. So in this case second is, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the overall description of this process. So now if such question comes in the exam within 30 seconds, how can you solve? First of all, you have to think the stability, and second you need to know such kind of system which is mesitoic acid type, not exactly mesitoic acid type system. So in this case, because of steric repulsion, this carboxylic group remains out of plane, so consequently minus I will occur along with, so minus I will occur. So compared to this is a plus I, all benzene, so in this case minus I occurs, in this case minus I as well as plus R, and plus R dominates. So first of all, this must be extremely fast acidic. Point number 1 verified. Point number 2, now you have to think benzoic acid versus substituted. See, this is far apart, this methyl is far apart from this carboxylic group, so directly it will not encounter. Otherwise, this methyl group has a plus I effect. So what is expected that it will increase the electron density in this benzene ring. So benzene ring will not withdraw electron density that much from this this carboxylic group. Okay, so means it is electron rich, so it will not prefer to be a charged species. What do I mean by the statement? This COO minus, because this O minus is the electron this thing, so it will not like to have, consequently it is relatively less interested to release proton. Okay, so this, now an acidic acid have a plus I effect, so less. And by the way, some important data you must know, for example pKa of acidic acid 4.7, such kind of thing you must know. So this is the overall description of this problem. So if this question come, point number 1, and another thing, point number 2. Now question, in which case 3 fast 2 second, how many position? First of all 3 fast, you got it, so 2 option left, this and this, and 2 second only this, so you don't need to think about others, just tick this. Okay, so this is the, and okay, just choose this and check. Third is means this, 4, okay, 4 is there, and fourth is 1, this. Now this is the right answer. Okay, so in this way you can have the right answer within less than 30 seconds. Okay, so what you have learned today? We have learned today about a comparative study of different acid, like from aliphatic acid like benzoic acid to the corresponding aromatic analogues, and in this case the steric inhibition of delocalization we have learned and its consequence in the acidity. Okay, so this is the end of this discussion. Thanks for watching. So if you really like my teaching, I request you please share this video among your friends so that other can get benefit. So thank you, stay happy, stay blessed, see you in my next video. All the best.